Uptown Swing, level 1, 8 count. My name's Hussein.
I'm Stacia. We're nearly through this 2-month session, and tonight we focused on swivels, which was very exciting. So we're going to remind you of some of the things we did in class, so you can practice these at home. You totally don't need a partner to get these under your feet, if you will. So we started off by just reminding ourselves of some of the basics. Swivels are, what we're not doing is we're not stopping any of our weight transfers. For the follows, the footwork is still step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. We're transferring our weight at the same times there. We're still pulsing, we're still dancing to the music. We're just adding something on top of that. That looks like if we just do the whole pattern, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we were really, when we put this into a swing out, we were realizing that 5 is hard to swivel for. So and then it seemed like the 1 and 2 was much easier to get. So we were thinking about how could we get the 1, 2 and also peel back a little bit and get some nice build up with that 7 and 8. And Hussein had some nice pointers there.
Totally. When we do our 1, 2, we can think of our triple step beforehand as a swivel prep. Triple step, a slow swivel that helps set us up to get a nice 1, 2. And then when we think about our 6, if we're gonna add a little swivel there, I think let's just think about opening up a little bit to help set us up for the 7 and 8. It's sort of a swivel prep for our swivel prep.
Mm-hmm. So we'll maybe show you one more time. I'll face the back, you face the front.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe we'll show it in a swing out.
Let's do it.
And we're gonna do mostly swing outs, but then at the end, can you do the sugar pushes? Because we did have some questions about like, do leaders ever put swivels in? And they do sometimes, not at this level, but eventually.
Totally.
Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. We're really trying to squeeze the juice out of that 7, 8. 7, 8, 1. And then if we did some sugar pushes, you can show me.
Let me do it. Yeah. We'll add some passes. Shoo, shoo. And again, we mostly talked about this as a follower variation in the context of a swing out, or you can use it in a pass too if you know your 6 count moves. This can also be a leader variation. I just think it often has a little less back travel, a little less stretch away often than a rock step might. So I might use it in different places. I tend to use it somewhere like hoo, hoo, shoo, hoo, boom, boom, hoo, shoo.
Looks so smooth when he does it. Awesome. Thanks, Hussein.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.